You want to create content regularly, but every time you think of creating a content, you think like, okay, what should I post today, what should I create a content on. In this particular video, I'll resolve this problem for you, like funnel final, right? So I'll give you a a sheet by which you can plan a content of next 100 days without worrying. Just create that content, and whenever you have to go live or create a video, just pick any one topic out of that and create it. Right now, you don't have to think every single time that what should I create today. And the second problem which this video will solve for you is, don't create a content which people watch, consume, and then go. Right, you have to create a funnel out of it. If people are watching your content, you have to make sure that they come towards your programs, they come, uh, they attend your workshops, they actually you know become your customers in the end. That's what you want, right? So I'll literally show you what kind of content you should create and how you can create content of next 100 days, right? Okay, let me quickly share this screen without wasting any further time. Let me also tell you, right, uh, the thing which I'm going to share you today, right now, I share it in my paid programs, right? So you are lucky to get this video. I know you're probably you're watching inside my community. So yes, take this video very seriously. Now that's my Excel sheet. Let me show you a glance here, that I have more than 100 questions. I've kept all these questions ready, and whenever I have to create a content on something, I just pick some topic and just create it. So how I have arrived on these questions, how I have picked these questions, that's the secret which I'll reveal you today. Okay, now let's understand, right? The first thing which you have to got to do is, you have to identify at least 10 at least 10 themes, right? I have more than 10 themes here, but you have to start with 10 themes. Let me give you an idea what I mean by themes. So let's say you have a business, and okay, let me take my example. My business is to help people start their online business and create a six-figure online business, right? Now, in this, to you know to get this result, there are many factors which I teach. There are many things which I teach. For example, I teach Facebook marketing, right? I teach lead generation, I teach offer creation, I teach content marketing, I teach how to you know uh, monetize your Facebook groups, how to do webinars, how to select your niche, growth hack, affiliate marketing, organic marketing, and many things which I teach, right, in my programs. Now, the thing is, you have to write all these things on this side of this Excel sheet, right? I'll also give you the copy of this Excel sheet if you stay till the end. So you have to write all these things. For example, you are into health niche, and you help people to lose 5 kgs with keto diet in next 30 days. So there will be many factors like what diet to take, what timings are there. So you'll talk about timings, you'll talk about exercises. All these things are themes. Now what you have to do is pick one theme and copy it 10 times here. Done. Then pick another theme, copy it 10 times here. And this is what you have to do for all those 10 themes. So 10 into 10 is 100. So 100 points are ready here, right? For example, the first theme which I have kept here is Facebook marketing. Okay, now how to get the questions now? Okay, so understand this. What if you exactly know what people are finding, what people are actually searching for, right? Whatever they are searching, you should probably create a content on that topic, right? That's how you get more traffic. So there are two websites which will be very effective for you, and on from those two websites you will actually come to know how to search for the right content. So the first one is obviously Quora. If you know Quora is an amazing website to actually search anything here. So let's pick the theme now, right? Okay, so Facebook marketing was the first theme. So let's type Facebook marketing, right? So just put the keywords here and search it. Now you'll see that, Quora will actually tell you what questions people are actually searching on this particular keyword. What are the best Facebook marketing tips? What is Facebook marketing? And you will get questions here. What is the best Facebook marketing book? What are the benefits of Facebook marketing, right? So these questions, you can actually go on and on and on and check other questions. So just pick the right questions which you feel, that they are more powerful questions, and don't, pick questions which are almost similar to each other, so that there are no redundancies, there is no duplicacy. So pick a question and then choose some other question, like, which is totally different with that. Okay, now that's the first way. The second way is, what you can do is, you can go on the website called answerthepublic.com. It's an amazing website. Okay, so answerthepublic.com. So what does this website does? This do is, whatever keyword you type here, right? The theme, it will give you now questions which people are actually asking, and it will be in a form of what, can, where, who, why, are, which. It will segregate these questions in this way. Okay, for example, um will Facebook shares recover? Will Facebook bounce back? So these are the questions with the keyword will. uh, so you can pick the right questions from here. What Facebook marketing, how to do Facebook marketing effectively, why Facebook marketing is best for marketing, right? All these questions, if you click on any of it, why Facebook marketing is important for every business, very important topic. If you click on it, now it will take you on the Google search, and you can search the topics here. But the more important thing is, you're getting the questions here, right? Obviously, your content, so the question you have to pick from here. Again, just pick the question and paste it inside your 100 question sheet. In the similar way, you have to do it for other 9 themes, right? I've picked Facebook groups, so Facebook group is my second theme. Now I will again go to Quora and I will search Facebook groups, right? I will search Facebook groups, and then I will get many questions regarding Facebook groups. In this way, you have to select 10 questions for every theme, and your 100 questions sheet would be ready, right? That's how it is. So next time, what you have to do is just refer to this Excel sheet, pick any topic, and go live or record a video, whatever you feel good, or even you want to create a written content, and boom. Was that helpful? Was that fantastic? Now what you can do is, I'll give this particular Excel sheet, link of the Excel sheet down below. Just open that link and click on the files and create a copy, right? Make a copy, and it will be embedded in your own Google Drive. So that's it for today. I hope this was very helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment below and let me know how amazing it was, and if you implement it, again let me know, right? Have a great day. Enjoy. Bye bye.